In this video, I'll show you how to fix the black screen problem you're having with your TCL television. Let's get started. So the first solution is to unplug your TV from your wall socket. And then you need to locate the power button of your TV, often located on the back. You need to keep this button pressed during 30 seconds. Don't let it go. Once this 30 seconds passed, then you need to wait a minute before plugging the TV back into the wall socket. Hopefully this will solve your problem and you'll be done. If your TCL TV still has the problem, I will suggest that you make sure that your HDMI cable is well connected. If this doesn't solve your problem, then switch the HDMI cable to another port. Sometimes these ports get used and they stop working after a while. And finally, another tip is to plug your TV in another wall socket. Don't plug it into a power bar. Sometimes the cause of your black screen could be the power bar that failed. Alright, so I hope this helped you. And if so, then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in another one.